Hey, this is Rachel from the Life Facilitator, and I'm sharing my setup of my Daisy Weeks Dory. And I have it in and it's upside down. I have it in the Cocoa Daisy Weeks personal size cover. This is available in the shop, in the Cocoa Daisy shop, if you want to check it out. First up, gotta love them pockets. I've been loving using these little film strips that came in the Dandelion Wishes Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit for like all the things. So like decoration, background, you name it, I'm using it. And then of course the butterflies are just so cute in all of the places. So those are the pockets, which I'm loving. And then here is the cover that I created. I have a reel on my Instagram that shows how I put this together. This is one of the papers from the planner kit, I believe. And then I only adhered, like I did with my classic inserts, I only adhered the middle part down so that the little wings kind of perk up a little, which is super fun. And how I'm going to talk about the Daisy Weeks is basically several different ways that you can set up your color block pages and then different layouts for the open grid pages. So to start, I have just like a note to myself that this is just for like a planning page. Another option is memory keeping. So what this would look like is you could just grab a couple photos and you could either put the photos over here or maybe like one big photo over here and then, you know, journal about the week. But this would be a great option for some small scale memory keeping. Here I have created a photo prompt list. So I used the stickers from the memory keeping sticker kit to create a photo prompt list for myself. So ready for a reset. So take a photograph of myself sort of resetting the week. Hello, I'm creative. So a photo of creativity and experience biking. I tend to bike on Wednesday, so that made sense for Wednesday. Spring means rooftop sunset. So get a photo of, you know, being up on our rooftop. Friday, happy to be with friends, so a photo with friends. And then today is so memorable, so some memorable moment from Saturday. And then time to relax, so a photo of relaxing on Sunday. This is a great idea, and you could use this for all of the color block pages, or just, you know, have it be something that you kind of, if you're just starting with memory planning, this would be a fun sort of photo sketch or photo journal prompt to use each week. Here I have a super fun spring cleaning list. Now, spring cleaning in and of itself is not fun, but making a list of what you want to do could be. So here I have a way to set up spring cleaning. So let's say I wanted to focus on spring cleaning for 1 week. In my planner, I have Tuesday and Thursday and Saturday as my declutter and purge days. So these are days I'm doing things where I'm getting rid of stuff. And then Monday, Wednesday, Friday is more like normal cleaning things. And I used the stickers that came in the planner add-on kit to put this page together. And I just love it. And I love that I can break down my decluttering and purging over here in my like Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. And then this was just a fun sort of decorative element. So another fun way to use the color block pages. And you could do this with anything. So you could do it with, you know, work-related items, or you could set this up for, you know, a lot of different things. This just happened to work for spring cleaning. Here I have a health tracker, a way to set this up as a health tracker. So here on this side, you would have the like meals for the week, And then in the middle is exercise, and then on this side is hydration. So I used one of the coffee cups icons from the planner add-on kit, but you get the idea. And then used a mile liner and just dashed out the lines. But I thought about afterwards that you could, if you got the planner add-on kit from March, it had this stamp that had it's a hydrate. You could use this as your hydration tracker. I thought about that after the fact. So if you're looking for an easy way to track hydration, this might be a great way to do it. Otherwise, you can just make little hash marks. All right, so now we're going to get into if you wanted to use the Daisy Dori as these open grid pages for planning, and maybe use this for something else more specific. Here are a couple ways you could set up the open grid. So this is more like a dashboard layout. So you have the week on this side, and then your sort of lists and to-dos on this side. This is more of a classic vertical spread with Monday through Saturday up top and then Sunday down below. And you can see that the boxes, because this is a week's Daisy Dori, the columns are smaller than 1.5. I think it's probably closer to 1.25. Here is a horizontal spread with Monday through Friday on this side and then Saturday, Sunday on this side, with a nice open area for a grid or for taking notes or lists and things. I like this setup because you can use the weekend banner from the classic sticker kit on this side of the page, which is fun. And then here is a sort of quad layout where I have it set up where Monday through Thursday is up top, Friday through Sunday are on the bottom. You could also do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Either way works pretty well. And you still have plenty of room for lists and notes and those sorts of things. And then I have set up a couple of pages for journaling, if you were to use this insert for journaling. And I love using the Traveler's Notebook memory keeping kit stamps to build little grids. And once again, I've used the little small sticker sheet from the memory keeping sticker kit to as a journaling prompt. And I've done that for a couple of pages. So same setup, so you could just go in and stamp, and it's all set up. And then I also had some fun making a grid design using patterns, just extra scrap patterns that from the collection, the Dandelion Wishes collection. And then I have a quote that from a creator that I just love, Morgan Harper Nichols, and screenshotted a few of her quotes way back when and decided to add them. The quotes are about creativity, and I felt like that made sense for this insert. So a lot of different ways that the Daisy Dori can be utilized, and it can, you're seeing it in the week size, but you certainly could do the exact same thing in most of the sizes. I would say that this is maybe not as doable it's definitely not as doable in the mini Dory, but like A6 and up, you could definitely set it up this way. So I hope this is helpful, and I hope you enjoyed this look at my week's Daisy Dori setup with the Dandelion Wishes collection. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!